We have really got to disabuse ourselves that women are inherently going to be great mothers, and that even women who claim they want to be child free will eventually change their minds. This this opinion is feeding into the stereotype that there are boxes that we should all fit into, even if we are squishing people into boxes that they are screaming that they don't want to be a part of. So I want to get into this. Level Up Goddess says people think that women are supposed to automatically be stuck with kids. It's okay and normal when the male leaves, but women are supposed to stay. F out of here. Women have choices too, and the quicker we use those choices, the better. If more women are like this, single motherhood in the Black community would not be so hot. I agree. If we start giving these men, these kids, the the birth rate will drop. If men have to be involved in the day to day, the sleep deprivation, the changing of the diapers, the dealing with the crying babies, all of that, the day to day early on, they will stop making babies so much. And maybe they will stop blaming Black women for everything. Okay, let's go. If more women were like this, you women would not be the sole blame for the kids in the Black community. Black women, Black single mothers get blamed for everything. Start giving these men these babies. They think that women are the problem. Okay, cool. Do better. Show us how it's done. All right. For the kids in the Black community, most times these males get women pregnant on purpose, thinking we are so maternal that we will automatically give up our life for that baby. That is not true. Unpack that. Not all women are maternal. There are toxic women out there. Stop imagining that women are just going to change their mind and flip on the mommy switch. It does not happen. Okay. Um, they especially do this when women are in college or is about to land a huge job opportunity. Yes, some of these men purposely mess up the trajectory of women because they can't come up to some of our levels, so they want to bring the women down. Y'all better wise up in 2023. Look around. Your sacrifice have literally gotten you nothing but blamed for everything. I so agree. Agree. This is why I say if a man is not worthy, don't even let him breathe your air. He shouldn't be in the same space, same atmosphere. Walk away, run. They will pull you down. Run. Don't let them breathe your air. You guys like, comment, share. Tell me what you think. Weigh in.